Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up Visual Studio Code for C and C++ programming. So first you have to open your browser and you have to install MinGW. It is a compiler for C and C++ language. Just search MinGW, click on the first link, click on download. Save. Click on the setup file. So it will take you to this prompt. Click install. Check the directory. I'm gonna install in C drive only. Hit continue. Now it will download some resource. Hit continue. Now it will take you to this prompt, and for C and C++ we're gonna check mark this one, MinGW32 base mark for installation, and MinGW32 GCC G++ mark for installation. Check mark this and go to installation and hit apply changes. Apply. Now it will download all the packages and resources needed for C and C++ compilation of your program. Extracting all the files. Yeah, successful. Now close this, and go to the path where the MinGW is installed. I have installed it on C directory, so I'm gonna go to C drive, and here you will see MinGW. Double click open it, and double click open the bin folder, and just tap this path and copy this path, and go to edit environment variables for your account. So we're gonna give it to the path. So under your user, select the path, add new one, and paste the MinGW bin path here. Also you have to paste it on system variables. Hit path, go to path, and before it was only for account, that's why insist on under system variables we cannot do, copy the path. So you have to search it again, just as environment variables, and hit under system variables also, and now it's new, and paste here also, control V. Okay, hit OK. And to check we have installed GCC successfully or not, just open command prompt and type here GCC dash dash version. Yeah, if you got this version GCC, it will show your version if your GCC is successfully installed. Now for programming under Visual Studio Code, you have to open Visual Studio. Now under Visual Studio you have to just install only one extension, that is Code Runner. Code Runner by Jun Han. Just mark that name, click install. Yeah, it's installed. Now let's check. I have created a file demo with C language. I'll simply write a simple program of C. Yeah, now it looks okay. Let's hit the play button again. Yeah, we have got C lang output as here. So you have successfully set up Visual Studio Code for C and C++ lang.